Hey there, I'd like to do an unboxing and share my review on some planter pots. And so here's your base trays, and the one is bigger than the other. And then when we start pulling out the insides, you have your metal base that you're gonna put together that this plant stand is gonna sit in. Now, some special features with this are going to be the great drainage at the bottom. So if you would like to put some rocks or something in the bottom of this to kind of also hold some of that moisture in, just know that you can do that. Otherwise, once you see it sitting in its base, you'll know that you'll just have really good drainage. So here are your two pots put together on the stands, and just remember that you do have adjustable legs, so if you have an uneven surface and your pot seems a little tippy, you can adjust that here. Now let's go ahead and transplant one of my plants. So I'm going to be transplanting this fern, and I've decided to go with the larger pot. Even though I have quite a bit of dead around the fern, I'm going to break it up and give it some room to expand in here. So let's get transplanting. Here we have it with my other plants in front of the window.